You ever wonder how they quickly make these like animations where you have this like controlled and stuck to this? You can move it around and it plays out really nicely. Well, there's a really cool tool that just does this really quickly and easy to use. Let's get started. So to text on screen, today we're using a tool called Filmit CallOuts. Very simple tool. You can totally make these manually, and if you're curious, just leave a comment down below and I'll show you how to do it manually, but today we're using the tool. If you like this tool, comment callouts down below and I'll send you a link. Now, all we got to do is use the tool. Let's do our start target, which is start. Let's do our end target, which is end. And we want 4 elbows. We want it to animate. We want a universal control. We want a round emitter. We do not want dashes. We want the stroke to be 10. We hit generate. Hit play on our keyboard. It draws a line. And from here, we can actually move our anchor points. They're all connected via expressions. The start moves, the end moves. Pretty cool. Let's go to our control and let's make it kind of like wiggly, like so. Now, click U or the keyboard here, move this down for a nice slower animation. And it drew a really nice line from start to end. And this works universally. You can connect multiple points, all that kind of jazz, no problem. It's very quick and very easy. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for being a part of the channel. If you're new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And right before we finish up, I'll plug it one more time. Feel free to check out Filmit.io. It is a resource for creatives made by creatives, aka me and a small team of developers.